All right, so for number 2 on the QR code quiz, it's asking us to find the derivative. And as you can see, this one's a little bit different. We have 2 terms, right? So what we're going to have to do is use the product rule for this one to find the derivative. So remember, the product rule goes like this. We find the derivative of the first term, and we multiply that against the original term, the second one, the original second term. Then we add, we add, and then we find the derivative of the second term, and we multiply that against the original first term. So it looks something like this. So f prime of x equals, we're going to find the derivative of this first one right here. So this equals 3 times 6x squared. Remember, we bring down the x with the 3 with the power rule, and then we subtract 1, okay? Minus 1. The derivative of x is just 1. And then we multiply that against the original function, or the original term, the second one, 10 minus 20x. Then we add, and then we're going to find the derivative of the second one, of the second term, which is just negative 20, right? Because the derivative of 10 is 0, derivative of negative 20x is just 20 because we get rid of that x. And then we just multiply it against the original first term, 6x cubed minus x. And so now we just multiply everything out. Well, the insides first. So we get 3 times 6 is 18x squared minus 1, 10 minus 20x plus, and then we get negative 20 times 6 gives us negative 120x cubed, and then negative 20 times negative x gives us positive 20x. And that's that. And then we just FOIL everything out. So we're going to do something like this. So 18x times 10. So 18x times 10 gives us f prime of x equals to 180x squared. And then we go 18x squared times negative 20, which gives us negative 360x cubed. Remember, because we multiply the x's. Now we move on to the negative 1. So negative 1 times 10 just gives us negative 10. And then negative 1 times negative 20x gives us positive 20x minus 120x cubed plus 20x. And now we just combine all the like terms, right? Let's close this off right here. So we have f prime of x equals 2. We combine the x cubes, which gives us negative 480x cubed plus 180x squared. This is this term right here. Then we combine the x's, which gives us 20x plus 20x, which gives us 40x. And then we're finally left with just a negative 10 minus 10. So as we can see here, our derivative is negative 480x cubed plus 180x squared plus 40x minus 10. And this is using the product rule.